Hello, today I'm going to talk about the success plan of Oriflame. Yeah, this is the ladder which is called success ladder in Oriflame. A person's journey start from a brand partner, that is consultant, to a diamond president director. Okay, so one person can earn income monthly from 200 rupees to 5 crores in Oriflame business opportunity. Other than that, we have 17 different types of cash rewards. So I'm just going to tell you what are the steps and how much you can earn at each level, and how can you proceed your life changing opportunity. So first level of consultancy is called a consultant journey is called brand partners. So a person, see in Oriflame, how the income is being calculated is through BP, that is called business point. Each product has business points. So we have to focus on business volume, where there is something called personal BP, where you purchase in your ID, it is called personal BP. Your people under you purchase, it is called group BP. Every month it starts with zero. So a brand partners journey. So the first level of brand partners is called 0% consultant, 3% consultant, 6% consultant, and 9% consultant. This is the group BP what they are going to have. So in a consultant brand partner journey, a consultant journey is a brand partner journey, they are going to get from 200 rupees to 3500 according to their network. So the group BP are, see, can you see it? So for 0% consultant, it's going to be like 0 to 199 BP. 3% consultant from 200 to 599 BP. 6% consultant, it is going to be 600 600 BP to 1199 BP. And 9% brand partners group BP is going to be from 1200 to 2399. When a person want to earn between 200 rupees to 3500 to 4000, this is the chart what they're going to follow. So after that, a person's journey is going to change from a consultant to a manager. A manager level category earns from again 4000 to around 35 to 40,000 according to their according to the network chart. Okay, so how a manager's team journey is going to be like 12%, 15%, 18%, and senior manager category. So 12%, any of them qualification will be, they will be qualified for every year there is manager seminar happening. A person who enter into this category will be qualified for manager level manager seminar inside nation, so inside India. So 12% category will be BP will be like 2400 to 399, and 15% 4000 BP to 699 6600 and 6599. 18% manager is going to be like 6600 to 9999. When a person reach 10,000 group PP, that time it is called a split out, that is 22% senior manager. A personal BP should be around 10,000. Okay, I mean group BP should be around 10,000. An average income will be between 30,000 to 50,000 according to the network chart. So this is the first level of ladder. Okay, so from consultant to senior manager is the first level of ladder. Then it goes to director ladder, then it is going to diamond ladder, then executive ladder, and president ladder. So as the title grows, we are going to focus on different that is, we are going to get more benefits as title grows. So we will be getting international trips, we will be getting director seminars, we will be getting dream program offers, benefits, and cash rewards also. So directors team, okay. So what is director's team? A person maintain 10,000 BP, a senior manager category, for 6 continuous months. Then they are called, among 12 months, if they maintain 6 continuous months, they are called as a director. That time the average income will be 50,000 and they will be getting a cash reward of 50,000, and they will be qualified for director seminar, which is happening also. It's like 3 days 4 night seminar. So senior director, what is going to be like, that time senior directors will be earning around 60 to 70,000. A senior director should have one more senior manager below them and 2 other legs with an accumulated 100 BP. So gold director should have a 1 lakh income. Gold director will be having, when a person enter to a gold director level, that time they will be qualified for international seminar. And the main thing is, any title completion it will take, we have to maintain it for 6 months. When we maintain only, we will be getting a cash reward and our recognitions. Okay, for gold director your income will be around 80 to 1 lakh according to the network chart. So that time you should have 2 directors below you, 2 senior managers below you, a senior gold director, 3 senior managers in different legs you should have. That time their income will be around 1 lakh 25,000. And a sapphire director should have 4 directors below you. So all these people, cash bonus. What are the cash bonus? Can you see the cash bonus? So directors will be getting 50,000 cash bonus, senior director will be getting 75,000 cash bonus, gold director will be 1 lakh cash bonus, senior gold director is 1 lakh 50,000, and sapphire will be 2 lakh cash bonus. See, it is just a year, that is, it is like 1 month bonus of the real income what you're earning. Okay, a director's average income is 50,000, so 1 month bonus you will be getting when you complete your title. An average income for a senior director is 70,000, 75,000, so 1 month of cash bonus you will be receiving. So next level is diamond director, senior diamond director, and double diamond director. So these 3 level category, they will be having a separate council and they will be having a separate higher level treatment in our company, where they will be qualified for even an international trip, 4 tickets when you complete this. And that time, for diamond director you should have six directors below you. Senior diamond director should have 8 directors below you. A double diamond director should have 10 directors below you, and that time their cash rewards are going to be 3 lakh, 4 lakh, and 5 lakhs, and their monthly income is also going to be the same. So this is what the journey from consultant to a diamond director, to a double diamond director. These 3 levels I have already covered. So next is executive director, and then it is going to be like gold executive director, sapphire executive director, and diamond executive director. All these executive category will be having another international trip. So an executive can be qualified for manager seminar, they will be qualified for director seminar, they will be qualified for diamond conference, they will be qualified for gold conference, and they will be qualified for executive conference also. All from gold director title, you will be eligible to get into dream program, where you can be getting an eligibility to get a car EMI as a bonus. And you can after diamond you can be eligible to get kids education and home loan as a bonus, and if you're not married, even marriage expenses have been called as like have been given as bonuses. Okay, so what is the criteria for executive? So for executive, 12 directors should be there, they will be having, and for gold executive they should have 6 gold directors and 6 directors below them, and sapphire they should have 9 gold directors, and for diamond executive, all 12 of them should be the gold directors. That time they will be earning every month. A diamond executive director will be earning every month 21 lakhs. You should have 12 gold directors below you, then your every month income will be averagely 21 lakhs, and a cash bonus of 21 lakhs will also be given. So that it goes to the same to the president level. So we have 5 president level category. That time you will be qualified for luxurious car, and 5 categories are president director, senior president director, gold president director, sapphire president director, and diamond president director. So this, it is going to be the income from 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 1.5 crores, 2 crores, and 5 crores. There are people in India also earning this money. So what is a president director's team criteria going to be? A president director should be like, it's a team with 12 split out, that is 12 directors below them. First, there is 9 gold directors and 3 diamond directors should be there, and senior president should have 6 gold directors and 6 diamond directors. Then gold president should have 3 gold directors and 9 diamond directors, and sapphire diamond should have all 12 of them as diamond directors below them, and diamond executive you should have 6 diamonds and 6 executive. That time you will be earning 5 crores from our company. So this is what the plan goes. The income you're going to earn from 200 every month, you can earn from 200 to 5 crores, and cash bonus from 50,000 to 5 crores you can earn. Dream program you can get car bonuses, car EMI can be served, kids educations will be served, then home loan is being served, and if you're not married, marriage is served. And going to conferences, it will be like there are managers can conference, directors conference, gold directors conference, diamond conference, and executive conference. The first 2 level will be done inside India. Diamond, gold, and executive conferences are done international conference. Absolutely free starting from your travel. When you land to gold director, everything will be taken care by the company, including the travel. So just go for it. An awesome Oriflame success plan. No other business have such success plan. Go for it and enjoy.